हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। आज जो डिग्री फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश का एग्जाम हुआ था उसका क्वेश्चन पेपर आ चुका है एंड आई विल टेल यू द सॉल्यूशंस। एज यू नो पेपर बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजी था। फर्स्ट वन, आंसर एनी 5 क्वेश्चंस। बिट नंबर 1, आंसर एज डायरेक्टेड। सलमान वॉच्ड अ डैश ऑफ द मूवी। प्रीफिक्स प्लस व्यू, तो यहाँ पर आपको प्रीफिक्स लगाना है व्यू से पहले, तो आंसर इज प्रीव्यू। सेकेंड वन, split the word inexhaustible into its component, prefix, root and suffix. So inexhaustible word में आपको root word ढूंढना है, तो root word है exhaust, EXHAUST, और prefix है in और suffix है IBLE. Third one, I had to buy bread because I wanted to make some sandwiches. Convert bread into countable noun. So bread को countable बनाने के लिए हम लिखेंगे a loaf of bread या slice of bread. The meaning of the root phobia is dash. तो phobia का meaning है डर, fear. Bit number 2, answer as directed. She went to a new dash while her children went to the park to dash. Use the appropriate homonym. तो यहाँ पर homonym होगा play. She went to a new play while her children went to the park to play. Next one, if you park here, the police will dash your car away. Use the appropriate homophone. Tow or tow? Which one is correct? It is tow, the first one. What kind of food do you like? The dash. Use the right form of the adjective little. तो सबसे कम जो पसंद है little का होगा superlative form least. My bungalow is dash than hers. Use the appropriate form of the adjective large. My and hers को compare किया जा रहा है, तो answer is larger. Third one, answer as directed. This is a nice house. Has it got dash garden? Use the appropriate article. So has it got a garden? Because G जो है वो एक consonant है. I went into shop and asked to speak to manager. Insert article wherever necessary. So यहाँ पर article लगेगा दो जगहों पर. I went to the shop because shop एक specific place है and asked to speak to the manager. Specific manager से ही आपको बात करनी है. The petrol is expensive. Rewrite the sentence by using the right article. So the petrol नहीं आएगा because petrol uncountable noun है. So petrol is expensive. Our plants need a water. Add or remove article where necessary. So a water नहीं आएगा because water again uncountable है. Answer as directed. It is a dash opportunity. If you miss it, you will regret it. Use the right word to make a collocation. So answer is a golden opportunity. You are going to have a dash time in Singapore. Use the right word to make a collocation. So you are going to have a great time in Singapore. If anyone asks, tell dash I will be back tomorrow. Use the suitable pronoun. So आप use कर सकते हो them. Rohan wants to do it dash. Use reflexive pronoun. रोहन खुद से करना चाहता है, तो answer would be himself. Fifth one, fill in the blanks with the expression of disagreement given below. So यहाँ पर कुछ expressions है, उससे आपको fill in the blank करना है. First one, dash she's been given a good role in this movie. She is usually very good in tragic roles. So answer is it seems. This is the first answer. Then dash her hairstyle. It makes her look younger. So I quite like. This is the second one. Dash the workers are far more willing than we think. So answer is the way I look at it. Third answer is this. Then dash people are more aware of environmental issues now than they are some years ago. So answer is I am sorry. This is the last answer. Bit number 6. Fill in the blanks with short exchanges of clarification with the help of the clues given. So यहाँ पर एक conversation है जिसको आपको complete करना है. Let's see the answers. Geeta, Priya called to say that she will be arriving by the Shatabdi Express at 7 p.m. on Saturday. Madhu dash. मधु आस्क्ड गीता what was said. तो मधु गीता से पूछती है कि क्या कहा गया था. सो वो किस तरह पूछेगी? What did Priya say? Geeta dash Priya's coming by Shatabdi Express at 7 p.m. on Saturday dash. She said and did you get it? यानी कि क्या तुम समझी? गीता checks whether Madhu has got what she said. Madhu, yes, I got it. Bit number 7. What are interpersonal skills? Mention any 4 ways of maintaining effective interpersonal skills. So ये आंसर मैं आपको भी दूंगी. Let's see. वैसे तो ये आंसर आप अपने ओन वर्ड्स में लिख सकते हो, लेकिन कुछ इस तरह आप आंसर को प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. Interpersonal skills are the abilities that enable a person to interact effectively and harmoniously with others. 4 ways to maintain effective interpersonal skills include active listening, paying close attention to what others are saying and showing that you understand their point of view, clear communication, expressing ideas and information in a straightforward and understandable way, empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others to build strong, supportive relationships, conflict resolution, handling disagreements calmly and respectfully to find mutually acceptable solutions. इस आंसर को आप completely अपने ओन वर्ड्स में लिख सकते हो, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यही लिखो आप. Question number 8. Explain Johari window as tool of self-analysis. Johari window. The Johari window is a tool used to help people understand themselves and how they interact with others. It is divided into 4 parts or panes. First one, open self. This part includes things that you know about yourself and that others also know. For example, if you like to play soccer and your friends know this about you, it belongs in this part. Blind self. This part includes things that others know about you, but you do not know. For example, you might not realize that you are a good listener, but your friends see it clearly. Third one, hidden self. This part includes things that you know about yourself, but others do not know. For example, you might have a talent for singing, but you haven't told anyone about it. Unknown self. This part includes things that neither you nor others know about you. These could be hidden talents or future possibilities that haven't been discovered yet. The Johari window can help you learn more about yourself and improve how you communicate with others by making the open self larger. You can do this by sharing more about yourself with others, making the hidden self smaller, and by seeking feedback to learn what you might not know about yourself, making the blind self smaller. इस तरह आप इस आंसर को लिख सकते हो या फिर अपने ओन वर्ड्स में. Section B. Section B is essay type. Each question carries 15 marks, total of 60 marks. First one, discuss the relevance of the poem in the bazaars of Hyderabad in the context of the Swadeshi movement. So ये bazaars of Hyderabad से लिया गया है. और explain the instances in the conversation in the story. The eyes are not here where the narrator tries to cover up his disability. So ये eyes are not here से लिया गया है. दोनों में से एक कर सकते हो आप. Summarize Kipling's poem if in your own words. So ये if poem से लिया गया है. According to the author, can bad manners and a poor temper affect society? So ये on saying please से लिया गया है, तो दोनों में से एक कर सकते हो आप. 11th one, explain the meaning and significance of the line made weak by time and fate but strong in will to strive, to seek, to find and not to yield. ये Ulysses poem से लिया गया है. Who was Hubert Lehrouz? How did the author's farewell at the train station differ from Lehrouz's send-off? So ये on seeing people off से लिया गया है, तो दोनों में से एक कर सकते हो आप. 12th one, do you think the poem on his arriving at the age of 23 ends on a hopeful note? Explain. So ये poem on his having arrived at the age of 23 से लिया गया है. और what did the experiences of public speaking teach Gandhi about himself? ये Shyness My Shield प्रोज लेसन से लिया गया है. तो दोनों में से एक कर सकते हो आप.